Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English class and we are going to do today spoken English. Okay, so spoken English book is tune in book. So today children, please take out your tune in books and get ready for the work to do. Okay, now as you all know, before we have started this book, last time we have done chapter number 1. In this book I used to give you the audios. From here I used to give you the audios and you first of all listen the audio what I play the audios. Okay, when I play the audios you listen to that audios and then you complete the work. Okay, I explain you how to write the correct answers after listening to the audios which I play from here, and then we write the answers. So in the same manner again we are going to start this book. Okay, so please take out your tune in book children and turn to page number 18. Okay, 18 page number is having chapter number 2, meet my friends. Is that clear? Meet my friends. Today we are going to do meet my friends chapter number 2. Is that clear to you all? In this chapter children, as again we can as you all know what I will do, I will explain you from the audio. I will play an audio and then I will give you the answers. Now as you can see in this part, page number 19, 1919, B1. Listen to Arnav and Nirali. What are they talking about? First of all, I will play one audio and then you will understand that this is Arnav and this is Nirali and what they are talking about. You will understand from that audio. Okay, so please listen to the audio children very carefully and don't miss any part of that audio. Is that clear? So get ready and I am going to play this audio. Is that clear? Now, starting with this audio, please listen to it very carefully.
Listen to Arnav and Nirali. What are they talking about?
Hello, my name is Arnav.
Hello Arnav, nice to meet you. I am Nirali. How are you?
I am fine, Nirali. Thank you. It is nice to meet you too. Where do you live?
I live in the red house on the right. Where do you live?
I live in that white house. It is next to your house.
Oh really? So you are my neighbor?
Yes. How old are you, Nirali?
I am 7 years old.
I am also 7 years old.
Great. We will be good friends.
Yes, we can be good friends.
So children, I hope you all understood this audio. What is Arnav and what is Nirali talking about? They are having a general conversation between them. Okay, they are having a conversation that first of all they asked how are you, and then they told each other where they live, and then after that they were both neighbors, so they had a nice friendship. Okay, so children, coming to the next part, this B2. Listen to the conversation again. I will again play this audio. Okay. Write A for sentences spoken by Arnav. जो भी sentences इनमें से अर्नव ने बोले होंगे उनके आगे हमको A लिखना है, और जो भी sentences निराली ने लिखे होंगे उनके बोले होंगे उनके आगे हमको N लिखना है. Is that clear? So children, please get ready. Again I am playing the audio. Listen to it very carefully. Is that clear children? I am starting the audio. Listen to it carefully.
Listen to Arnav and Nirali. What are they talking about?
Hello, my name is Arnav.
Hello Arnav, nice to meet you. I am Nirali. How are you?
I am fine, Nirali. Thank you. It is nice to meet you too. Where do you live?
I live in the red house on the right. Where do you live?
Now, as you can see children, I live in the red house on the right. Where do you live? So this was spoken by Arnav. Okay, ये किसने sentence बोला है? Arnav ने बोला है. So in front of this sentence I will write A as it is spoken by Arnav. अर्णव ने बोला है, इसलिए हम इसके आगे ए लिख देंगे. ओके, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट.
I live in that white house. It is next to your house.
Oh, really?
Now, I live in that white house. It is next to your house. ये किसने बोला? निराली ने. So, निराली ने जो बोला उसके आगे हम N लिख देंगे because this is spoken by निराली. Is it clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Now, again, I am playing the audio.
So you are my neighbor.
Yes.
Oh, really? So you are my neighbor. ये किसने बोला? अर्णव ने. So, we will write A in front of this. Okay. Now next.
How old are you, Nirali?
I am 7 years old.
उसने पूछा How old are you, Nirali? So Nirali answered I am 7 years old. Okay. Then
I am also 7 years old.
उसने निराली से पूछा आप कितने साल के हो. उसने बताया और उसने उसके बारे में भी पूछा अर्णव के बारे में. So he said I am also 7 years old. ये also किसने बोला था? अर्णव ने. So first of all we will write A here for अर्णव. Okay.
Great. We will be good friends.
Yeah.
Great. We can be good friends. Okay.
We can be good friends.
तो अब ये वी कैन बी गुड फ्रेंड्स किसने बोला? निराली ने. इज दैट क्लियर? सो वी विल राइट एन in this box. Is that clear to you all children? I live in red house on the right. Where do you live? This was the sentence spoken by Arnav. So we will write A in front of this. Then I live in the white house. It is next to your house. This was spoken by Nirali. So we will write N in front of this. Oh really? So you are my neighbor. This was spoken by Arnav. So we will write A here. I am also 7 years old. This was spoken by Arnav. So we will write A in front of it. And in the last, great, we can be good friends. This was spoken by Nirali. This was the last sentence of the audio spoken by Nirali. So we will write N for Nirali here. Is that clear, children? I hope this part is clear to you all. Now turn the page to page number 20. In this page number 20, listen to Paul introduce his friends and complete the details. Paul एक बॉय है जिसने अपने 4 फ्रेंड्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया है. So we have to listen to the audio carefully and then we have to answer these blanks which were given here. Name of this girl, age of this girl, likes of this girl and dislikes of this girl. Then same things for this boy, then same things for this girl and same things for this boy also. Is that clear? So first of all, for completing this, for writing these things, we have to listen to this audio. Okay, so I am playing the audio. Listen to it very carefully, children. Is that clear?
Listen to Paul introduce his friends and complete the details.
Hello, I am Paul. These are my friends. Let me introduce them. This is Asha. She is 7 years old. She wears spectacles. She has long hair. She likes to play. She does not like ice creams.
Is it clear, children? First friend is introduced. Again, I am playing the video, children. Listen to it carefully. Okay. And then we will fill the blanks.
Spectacles. She has long hair. She likes to play.
Wait. I will be starting this audio from the beginning. Okay. And then we will write the requirements which are asked in the book. Okay.
Hello, I am Paul. These are my friends. Let me introduce them. This is Asha.
Now, first name is Asha. Okay, so in front of name we will write Asha. Spelling of Asha is A-S-H-A. Asha. Is that clear? So we have written here Asha. Name of this girl is Asha. Now,
She is 7 years old.
have you listened? The age of this girl is 7 years. Paul said that she is 7 years old. So age, in front of age we will write 7 years. Okay, then
She wears spectacles. She has long hair. She likes to play.
now in this it is asking what she likes. So she likes to play. So we will write in front of likes to play. Play, play. Okay, so in front of likes we will write to play. Now
She does not like ice creams.
dislikes means that what you don't like. So she does not like ice creams. So in front of dislike we will write ice cream. ICE ice, CREAM, ice cream. Is that clear to you all children? Now coming to the next.
The boy you see in the picture is Ram. He is 4 years old.
Now the boy you see in this picture, his name is Ram. RAM, Ram. Okay. He
has curly hair and brown eyes. He likes to laugh. He has curly hair and brown. He is 4 years old. He
is 4 years old. Okay, so we will write in front of age, we will write 4 years. Is that clear? Then
has curly hair and brown eyes. He likes to laugh.
Now he likes to laugh. Likes के सामने हम क्या लिखेंगे? Laugh. LAUGHS. Laughs. He likes to laugh. Then next.
He does not like swings.
He does not like swings. उसको झूला झूलना पसंद नहीं है. So he does not like swings. 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 Is that clear? This is the correct. These are the correct answers you will write. You got it? How you will write? Now next I am playing again. So listen to it carefully.
Sarah is the girl who is wearing long earrings. She is 12 years old.
Now you have listened to the name. Her name is Sarah. Okay, SARA, Sarah. Is that clear? She is wearing long earrings. You can see here. She is 12 years old. So what we will write? 12 years in front of the age column. Okay.
She likes long earrings. She does not like long hair.
She likes long earrings. So we will write long earrings. Okay. EARING, earrings. Okay. And she does not like long hair. उसको लंबे बाल पसंद नहीं है. So we will write long HAIR hair. Okay.
The boy reading a book is Rahul. He is 7 years old.
Now, in this picture, the boy is reading a book. His name is Rahul. You all know the spelling of Rahul. RAHUL, Rahul. Age is 7 years old. Okay, 7 years.
He likes to read. He does not like chocolates.
He likes to read. उसको रीडिंग करना पसंद है. And he does not like chocolates. CHOCOLATES. Dislikes के सामने हमने क्या लिखा? Chocolates. Is that clear, children? I hope all this exercise is clear to you all, children. These 2 pages are clear to you all. I hope you will do it now. So with this video, I will be sending you an assignment. In that assignment, I will send you the pictures of these 2 pages. So you can complete it from that assignment. But before completing your assignment, children, you have to watch this video very carefully. You have to listen all the audios which I have played from here very carefully, and then you will write the answers. Try to write answers on your own and then check from the assignment which I will give you. Is that clear, children? So this is all for today, children. So next time in the next spoken English class, we will continue with next 2 exercises. Before that, please make sure that all your work till page number 20 should be completed. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home and stay safe.